powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This front-wheel drive coupe, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 31 miles per gallon. This Hyundai features rear spoiler, alloy wheels, and front and rear side airbags. Safety features include traction control, 4-wheel ABS, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include power steering, power door locks, and Bluetooth wireless. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.